Hello, I am Yuri from Fuse Service. I am maintenance technician guy, and today I'm gonna show you routine service for our customer. Let's get started. So, first step, we're gonna check indoor unit and thermostat.
So the first step, we're gonna check the filter status, how it looks like. If it's dirty, we're gonna replace it. We usually recommend to replace any 4 or 5 inches filters every 6 months. If 1 or 2 inches filters, we have to replace it every 3 months. So after putting the new filter, we make a sign with date of the replacement. After that, we're checking all joints, all connections, all electrical, and then we're checking the gas leak. Every time we calibrate the gas leak detector and checking all gas joints. Then making pictures of the filter, of the unit itself, of the coil, and switching to the thermostat. On the thermostat, we're running test equipment mode. We are checking all stages of heating and cooling and how the fan works. Next step, we'll go to the outdoor unit.
So, second step, I'm gonna check outdoor AC unit and disconnect box and refrigeration line.
During the checking the outdoor unit, we remove the fuses from the service disconnect and make a picture before start maintenance routine. If we're finding out what the unit is dirty, we have to run the cleaning process, which is absolutely free in our maintenance plan. Making pictures before and after. After that, we are connecting the refrigerant line for checking the pressure and refrigerant amounts in the seal system. We are checking all joints and all connections. We are removing all dirt and dust inside of the unit and checking the amperage and voltage during the operation outdoor unit. During the operation of outdoor unit, we go inside of the house and checking what the temperature blows from the air registers. We are making all the pictures during the maintenance routine. Check the breakers and all set.
All set, guys. Enjoy all checked and maintained HVAC system with Fuse.
Technician goes to the vehicle and upload all the pictures to the system, and you will get your invoice with all pictures made by our tech. Thank you very much.